I'll show you some other examples today. Well, just last week, Google announced that they put cuDF in the cloud and accelerate Pandas. Pandas is the most popular data science library in the world. Many of you in here probably already use Pandas. It's used by 10 million data scientists in the world. Downloaded 170 million times each month. It is the Excel, it is the spreadsheet of data scientists. Well, with just one click, you can now use Pandas in Colab, which is Google's cloud data centers platform, accelerated by cuDF. The speed up is really incredible. Let's take a look. That was a great demo, right? Didn't take long.